In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and edit SEO settings in ClickFunnels 2.0 page title and description. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what each setting means, and some simple tips to make your pages more visible in search engines like Google. By the end, you'll know how to update both the SEO title and the description for any page inside one of your funnels. First, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account as you normally would. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. There, you'll see an option labeled Funnels. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a list of all the funnels you've created in your account. From this list, choose the specific funnel whose page title and SEO description you want to edit. Just click on the funnel name to open its funnel dashboard. Inside the funnel dashboard, you'll see all the funnel steps, or pages, laid out in the middle of the screen. Each step represents a page in your funnel, like an opt-in page, a sales page, or a thank you page. Find the exact page whose SEO settings you want to change. Once you've located it, look for the 3 small vertical dots associated with that funnel step. These dots usually appear to the right of the page name. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Settings. When you click Settings, a pop-up window will open. This is where you can edit the SEO details for that specific page. In this pop-up, you'll see fields labeled SEO title and SEO description. In the SEO title field, type your desired title. This is the text that shows up as the main clickable headline in Google search results, and it also appears in the browser tab when someone visits your page. A good rule of thumb is to keep this title between about 50 and 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off in search results. Next, in the SEO description field, enter a short summary of what your page is about. This description appears underneath the title in search results and helps people decide whether to click through to your page. Aim for around 140 to 160 characters, focusing on a clear, compelling description that includes your main keyword naturally. Once you're happy with both the title and the description, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click Submit. This saves your changes and updates the SEO settings for that page in your funnel.